Okay, everyone, I'm going to try to sneak up here as I'll try to take off. If you listen, you hear a bunch of birds crackling. See them all? That's what they do here every year now. They all stop right here to fly south. They're all up in the trees. Try to pick back the zoom a little bit. And you can see them up there. Bunches of them. See if we can get them to scatter so you can see them flying. There they go. We're going to get out there more. You can hear them. Yeah, let's get back from four-wheeling. Awesome sunset. There they go. Here, it's quiet. There they go. You know, sometimes they come back. Let's see. I hear them. Here they come. Oh, they all ended up in the tree way back there. Yeah, way up there. Behind the barns there. Yeah, alright, just wanted to show you that. They fly over here all the time, so. Oh, that's cool. Thanks for watching, everyone.